You excited?
Braden, you excited?
Yeah! Build!
You gonna build stuff?
Yeah!
What are you gonna build first?
Stuff out.
Okay. Get this out.
Cool.
Whoa!
You pulled stuff out.
Whoa! There's doors. Where are the doors? Doors around. Go. I don't want to tooth flowing. It's flowing. What's on? It's flowing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, that's a tool.
Whoa!
That is a tool. I found it. There are glues.
You found the tools?
There are glues.
You got screws?
Yeah.
What else is in there?
Wow.
What other kind of tools did you get? Is there a screwdriver?
Yeah.
What about a hammer?
Is there more stuff in there, Braden?
Yeah.
Is there more stuff in the box?
Is the box empty?
There's got to be more stuff in the box.
Oh, there's
Instructions?
Please.
Okay,
Yeah.
Daddy needs these.
That's so cool. Are you excited to put it together and start building?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the video and say, thank you, Grandma and Grandpa Core.
Thank you, Grandpa Good.
Grandma and Grandpa Core.
Grandpa Good. Thank you.
He's so excited. You love it?
Yeah. I love it. There's glues. But I don't find a glue. Glue. Oh, you have glue.
Yeah, because Daddy has to put this all together for you.
I forget all together.
You're going to put it all together?
Yeah.